They don't like to put reason because it's abnormal situation. This one, I'm asking them, what's the exact reason? Your temperature, why you don't write it? It's abnormal situation.
Go back to Armenia. You have received your refusal documents?
Yeah.
Now you can go to Armenia.
Good morning guys, and this is our last day here in Armenia, and later today we will be traveling all the way to Georgia by land. Usually that takes more or less 5 to 6 hours straight. Last look of the city of Yerevan here in Armenia. That is Mother Armenia na pinuntahan natin kahapon. That used to be the statue of Joseph Stalin of the Soviet Union. So let's start our travel to Georgia. It'll be a long 5-hour trip. Let's go. Boom!
Out?
Yeah, check out. Dito na naman kami sa yelo-yelo. Guys, ito na. Yung hinahabol naming snowfall, ito na. Nahabol-habol naming snowfall. Inabutan na namin. Guys, hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo yung nag-i-snowfall, pero nag-i-snowfall dito ngayon. So biyahe kami ngayon papuntang Georgia galing Armenia. Nag-stop over lang kami dito to gas up since malayo-layo yung biyahe. And along the way, nag-snowfall siya. Kita ko pa rin nag-i-snowfall, yun nga lang, maliliit. So hindi siya consistent, hindi siya buhos, hindi siya bagsak. Pero kung nakikita nyo sa background ko, may bumabagsak na snow. So yun na yung mismong snowfall. Good news, no? For the first time since December na nagkahabol kami ng snowfall, dito lang namin inabutan in Armenia on our way to Georgia. And sabi kasi sa akin, sa Tbilisi or sa Georgia is mainit na. So I didn't wear any jacket. Inimpake ko na siya. Kaya lintik na lamig dito ngayon. I'm stuck with what I'm wearing right now. Lang. Tiis lamig gaming muna tayo. So masarap siguro ngayon magkape. Ay no, wow, ang daming snow. Ang daming snow, brother. Asa ba si Jeya? May snow, ayun o. Mga palibot sa likuran ko. Maandaran. Pasok tayo sa loob, palamig na. Okay, another coffee bento gaming. At may steamer pa din. Brrr! Ay, pumasok sa mata ko, yelo. Oh, basa. Brrr, lamig, wala akong jacket. Guys, I'm a snow po. Guys, sa snow na kami. Yung buhok mo may snow na. Yung buhok ko ba may snow na? Snow coming towards me. Yeah. Dapat ganito ba? Ano? Snow is coming on my face. Sobrang lamig, naninigas na yung kamay ko. Tara na, let's get inside. So it's getting cold now. Pasokin mo na ako ba? It's getting too cold outside. Guys, konti na lang, Georgia na. Konti na lang doon, Georgia na. I love Armenia! Just like that, nakalagpas na ako sa passport control ng Armenia. And next stop namin is the border to Georgia. Once I get to the border of Georgia, doon na magkakaroon ng tatak and entry to Georgia. And since meron akong US visa, I am exempted from getting an e-visa of Georgia. Konting minuto na lang, makakapunta na tayo. Okay, currently I'm stuck here at the Georgian border from Armenia. So this is the border from Armenia to Georgia. And unfortunately, yung border control dito is doing some discrimination for nationalities na galing sa mga bansa na meron ng kaso ng COVID-19. May mga kasabay kaming Italiano. Ayun siya oh. Yung isa sa kanila nandun, yung isa nandito sa kanan ko, kaya lang ayaw kong kukuhanan. So nangyari, even if hindi naman sila nagpunta sa mga bansa na may mataas or high risk ng COVID-19, pero dahil Italiano sila at maraming mga cases ngayon doon, hinaharang sila. Now, ganun din sa amin, since we are Asians, wala na silang pakialam kahit saan ka galing, basta Asian ka, hinaharang ka na doon. Gagawa ka nila ng kwento na meron ka mataas kang lagnat, gumagamit sila ng thermometer gun. Doon sa thermometer, ang temperature namin was 36.5, which is normal. Sasabihin nung nasa harang na sasabihin niya abnormal daw yung temperature namin, pero hindi naman. 36.5 is very normal. Sinambal ko sa mukha niya kung ano yung normal temperature. Pinagpipilitan niya abnormal kami. So, nagpabaril ulit ako. Accurate na parehas na normal pa rin yung temperature ko. But then, they are still refusing us for the fact that we are Asians. So, they are doing discrimination right now to people here that are wanting to cross their border. Kasi titingnan ninyo, pag ibang nationality ang dumaan, wala silang problema, makakapasok sila hanggang doon. Pero right now, hindi. Ang Yung mga Asians, look, meron pa kami kasabay na isa from another group, pero pinaitin na. Iniwan na siya ng mga kasama niya kasi we've been here for about 2 hours now. Hindi kami pinapalusot. Ayaw isoli mga passports namin for no reason. Hindi ko alam anong balak nilang gawin. Dumating na yung visa supervisor nila. We are exempt from Georgian visa, so we should be able to pass through. Yun nga lang, dahil Asians kami, meron silang matinding discrimination. Talagang gagawa sila ng paraan para hindi ka makapasok dito. So right now, if you are an Asian, I don't recommend passing through this border from Armenia to Georgia. Kasi yung isang kasama namin ngayon, kakagaling niya lang ng Georgia 3 days ago. So she came from Georgia, went here para mag-tour dito sa Armenia, and she's now going back to Georgia because yung flight niya is from Georgia going back to Qatar. So it doesn't make sense kasi galing siya ng Georgia pero nire-refuse siyang pumasok dito sa border na to. Lapit tayo ron.
What does it mean? Maybe ask the reason why you're getting confused. Why? Paano magiging translate sa Georgian language?
Ay, hindi ko alam. Napalitan mo yung keyboard ka.
No, it doesn't have.
А может эта девушка?
Pumunta ka lang. Kung ano yung pangalan ha?
They say, don't ask us, please. We have no rights. We are just checking and showing that we got it. Don't find our names.
Nakatuking mo lang. Dito, office nila to eh. Ayun,
Yung staff.
From where did you come?
Georgia.
From Georgia,
You came Armenia.
then go to Armenia.
And when did you come Georgia? First time.
First time 18.
Where did you come? Where did you come?
Qatar. Qatar, Doha, Qatar.
East Qatar.
Okay guys, so wala na silang pinipili. Pati itong dalawang lalaki nakaitim, ang silang in-check. Pero hindi sila in-check. Yung hinarang sila. Gagawa na naman sila ng kaso. Sabihin na ano yan, mataas ang temperature kahit hindi naman. So alam nyo na, dito sa border na to. Kaya ang balak namin, lilipad kami mula Yerevan hanggang Tbilisi. Pag nakapasok kami ron, babalik ang mga hindot na to. Ito yung chineke niya. Other cases envisaged by the Georgian legislation. Anong case yun? Yun ang tanong.
You know where was the problem? They didn't even check me because I'm Armenian.
Yeah.
How come? I'm also in the same car. If you are infected, I'm infected also. They see you are like this. I'm telling them, China is more closer to Armenia than to the Philippines. I swear, Ross. In the map, I thought that bald guy, open the map and look. He said, I will deport you now, so you will not enter to our country.
They don't like to put reason because it's abnormal situation. This one, I'm asking them, what's the exact reason? Your temperature, why you don't write it? It's abnormal situation. What's abnormal? You? Marinig ako.
Вы почему здесь?
Hello?
Go back to Armenia. You have received your refusal documents.
Yeah.
Now you can go to Armenia.
So we can enter Tbilisi by airport?
No, you can't.
By airport?
You can't enter Georgia.
Are you sure about it? I'm just asking because if I'm going back to Armenia and then go get a flight going to Tbilisi and they allow me, then what's the difference between airport and border? If they allow us. No, I'm just asking. We're going back now to Armenia and then we're gonna get a flight going to Tbilisi.
No, you can't
Then
go
the
to
Tbilisi airport allow us. Then what's the difference if you're not gonna allow?
Please don't stay here.
No, please. I just want answers.
It's not my job.
It's your job.
I want answers.
Troubles for my job. Now go behind, please. Go to
I
Armenia.
understand. I just want to clarify because if you're going back to Armenia and then get a flight going to Tbilisi airport,
Go to airport.
are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
What if we can get in? Can I get back to you?
What are you doing now here? You are going.
Because we have
You
a
wanna
flight
make
from
me trouble
Tbilisi
for my job
going to
and for
Dubai.
We have
Our flight is from Tbilisi to Dubai. We have to get to Tbilisi because our flight is from
Now we
Tbilisi.
can take flight from our Yerevan to Dubai. Now you disturb me and my job.
I'm asking
You
questions.
disturb me, ask questions there. I answer you
Okay.
already. I explain you
understand.
everything. Go it to me. Give it to me. Clean your photos. Clean. Clean. You have no rights. Это она не имеет права меня снимать, понимаешь? Это аэропорт, это зона, пограничная зона. Я ее не снимаю, когда она что-то делает. Понимаешь? Это я не имею права снимать человека без его согласия. Это мое право. Потому что ты стоишь вместе с ними и здесь Перейди туда, так. Перейди туда. Здесь нельзя стоять. Мне не интересно, что они хотят. Clean your cinemas.
Давай я сейчас...
Clean.
Я сейчас...
You have no rights to make films. Have no rights. It's my subject.
What?
It's the law that
Right there.
you can't make cinema for me.
You should put a sign here that says no video taking, like that.
Смотри, не имеет значения, нельзя снимать.
Mapupunta naman sa ano yan, di ba? Yung hindi agad nabubura. Tara na.
Google посмотри.
But I don't.
Если хочешь зайти в группу. Не имеет значения. Леди, какая она леди?
Lady, like that.
Lady,
A very normal lady.
Слушай, если ты сейчас выпендриваться хочешь, выпендриваться будешь так. Но очень Сейчас она стала леди, да?
See you on YouTube! Got everything recorded, boy! So ayun, wala na kaming pag-asa kaya bumalik na kami. Pero ikaw kalbo ka, ha? May karma ka din. You have no choice to go back to Yerevan. Hindi matutuloy yung Georgia in my dreams. May flight kami from Tbilisi to Dubai na hindi na namin matitake kasi dito kami tatanggapin kahit sa airport. Tinagal-tagal naming bumabiyahe. Ngayon lang kami nakaramdam ng pang-aalipusta ng ibang lahi. Pero numero uno kailangan namin gawin ngayon ay kumain. Nagugutom na kami. Dadaan na kaming kainan and we'll have our late dinner there and head back to Yerevan. And we'll think about next steps na gagawin namin because we have a flight from Dubai to Manila sa 28. Today is 24. So meron pa kami 5 na 6 or 7 days. Ilang araw yun? 4 na araw pa. So yung plans namin for Georgia obviously hindi na mangyayari. Kaya we have to rearrange our itinerary kung ano man ang gagawin namin. So ito yung nagiging epekto ngayon ng virus, ng epidemya. Lahat ng bansa nagpapanik. So nakakapagtaka lang kasi dito sa border ng Georgia, Armenia, parang mas mahigpit pa dito kaysa dun sa mismong airport. Kasi sa airport, nakapasok ang mga turista. Okay, dinner time muna tayo. And we're back. Dito na ulit kami sa hotel.
Sa Armenia.
Welcome to Armenia. Back in the same hotel kung saan kami kanina, ibang room lang. We were previously in room 405, which is on the other side. What happened? Oh my
Don't
goodness.
talk to me. I'm effing tired. Pero okay na rin na nakapag-snowfall.
Oh, so-
Nakita natin yung border na pwedeng barilin anytime.
So-
Nakita natin yung Georgia.
So the chase of the snowfall ends.
Yes. We can go back to US without the snow. Because I don't think we can survive that windy, chilly effect.
Okay, so guys, papahinga muna kami. So, daming nangyari. Kaya buti pahinga muna tayo para mapag-isip ng tama. Kung anong gagawin, anong sasabihin. Good night!